Girl, them trying to marry me. They're trying to marry me. Look at me. Look at me. Who's that old man? Girl, don't try me like this on this camera. Why you do it?
Why you? Why I did?
I heard what you said.
I heard nothing.
Talking about I got a whole man. The only person up here got a whole man sitting up here is you.
Who?
And say your love for. I love an independent chick mixed with a bag lady. Throw that ass if you really be in your bag, ladies. Don't be scared to speak up if you just wanna fuck. Stop fucking with these clowns frontin' like they just wanna cuff. I love an independent chick mixed with a bag lady. Throw that ass if you really be in your bag, ladies. Don't be scared to speak up if you just wanna fuck. Stop fucking with these clowns frontin' like they just wanna cuff.
So, I'm at Wingstop. That ain't do nothing. Anyway, so I'm at I think I'm a hand of balls, so I wanted to see that I got hair, because, you know, some people might think I'm bald headed or something. I got hair. Oh, we got Wingstop. Oh, sweet roll. I don't need all that. But I swear it'd be good, though. Because they ain't got desserts. It's right there. Oh, they closed. They open. They look dark. Oh, that's messed up. Bitch, Wingstop. You're at Wingstop.
I got mango habanero and garlic parmesan. Mango habanero is good. Tasty. And it's spicy. But it's good.
Oh, no.
Taste it. I wouldn't lead you down the wrong path.
What about lemon pepper? What about lemon pepper?
You see the wall there. It's got descriptions. You see the flames. So with a purple shot for one flame, I don't think it's spicy. They call it zesty. I assume you're familiar with Rick Ross.
Yeah.
I
Hold up. Did he assume I'm familiar with Ross because I'm black? It had to be because I'm black. No other reason because I'm black, but I'm going to let it slide. I wasn't going to let it slide, though.
it's a true story. He owns a couple of franchises in Atlanta. He likes his lemon pepper.
Okay, so this one I'm going to do, because it's my first time. I'm going to get one lemon pepper right, but I'm going to taste it. If I can get like...
Here's the thing, you got that split combo. You get the boneless and the bone in. So you can only do two flavors. So you gotta commit to the one bone in, and then the other for the boneless.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, well, you can do it. Surprise me.
Oh, so I can watch.
I don't know. How do I feel? Oh my God. What is this nasty? Do what? You always want me to do something. Damn. That's got me slaving over here like I'm a servant or some shit.
You are my servants.
Come on. Damn. See? God don't like that ugly.
Okay, it's cookout, or can we get? We'll take somewhere else cheaper, or without cheaper. We're somewhere around the same price. Bitch, cookout. We always eat cookout.
What? McDonald's. Wings.
Nice.
Oh wow, this bitch.
Exactly.
Because no. Because when I said a milkshake from Chick-fil-A, y'all act like that was it. Like,
First of all, I said nothing about the cookout or the little milkshake. I said nothing. That was Treese questioning it. You can't let her speak for me because I'm a grown ass woman. No.
But
Bitch, I was gonna tell you.
Let someone
Bitch,
like
if
her
you
represent
won.
you.
Oh,
Nobody represents me.
Hold on.
You just
Someone like
no.
you?
Oh,
Like you.
hello.
See how you're unhappy?
Okay,
See how you're unhappy with the This is your representative.
Don't worry about it.
No. When did we vote on that? Because
Because you didn't say that.
no, because I was sick and in turmoil last night. Okay, in turmoil. I was dying last night.
I don't recall that.
I do.
All you said was, can we get something the same price as cookout?
I said what? I named y'all 3 options and y'all just started complaining. Y'all ain't named them.
Because bitch, you kept talking. You kept talking. I would take a nice Chipotle.
I think Chipotle.
Chipotle $5.
Maybe like $6.
Cookout tray don't come $5.
No, not mine.
Exactly.
What y'all thought y'all was gonna get? Double hush puppies?
Girl, double hush puppies would be 2 sides, so that wouldn't be it.
Oh, well.
But you said a cookout tray. You didn't say how much the cookout tray.
Thank ya.
That ain't what you said. Now let's recall back one time you say anything about a motherfucking price. Cause you didn't.
But you actually didn't even say cookout at first. You didn't get
Originally, you didn't.
But when I said Chick-fil-A, you guys.
No, not you guys, not you guys. Actually, you didn't. You barely. You keep talking about some we. No, bitch. We are separate. Separate.
Did y'all agree on this?
Ain't no goddamn agreement, bitch. Ain't no voting.
Bitch, I still know what the fuck else can we eat. Damn.
You said around.
We don't want wings. We don't
the
want
high,
wings.
the most you would spend on a cookout tray, I'm gonna say $650. Don't know what the fuck costs $650 at cookout, but I'm just gonna say $650. So that's $13. I can do $13.
Mm-hmm.
Or do y'all want me to sit a 10 and 3 ones on the counter? Y'all do whatever the fuck y'all want to do with it.
10 and 3. Actually, I think the 10 and the 3 ones actually.
Yeah, that count.
Not a piece altogether.
Bitch, we know that.
That's
Okay.
fine.
Oh, that's fine.
Bitch, that's gas money.
10
That's
and
my
3
ice cream
ones?
money.
$650?
Yes.
Yeah.
Because then, I mean, I only got to put about a good $4 more in there. I'm at the 10 mark instead of a whole 10.
Okay, great.
I'll be
This
representing.
ain't even about it.
But
I
you know
didn't feel
what?
like going to cookout.
After this agreement is over with, we need to have a talk because the way that you're describing me as your
Uh-huh.
quote unquote, and I'm supposed to be your partner. And
It's time for me to exit. Pause the shit. So, I'm at work, right? And this lady, like, she was talking about what she was going to eat tonight. Mind you, I don't know the lady for like 8 hours, so I'm just like, okay. And she was just like, I'm getting to it, sorry. And she was just like, oh, what did you eat last night? And I told her, I was like, oh, I had some ham, you know, whatever I got in the refrigerator. Some ham! I was just like, yeah.
Some damn ham.
I'm right, bitch. Like, yeah.
What the fuck?
She was like, well, I know you gonna bring me some. Nah. Like, bitch,
Why
no,
I
not.
bring you ham?
I don't know you, lady.
Exactly. No, but you supposed to bake me and order some ham.
There's guns and there's butter, right? I hate it. For real, for real.
No, cause I gotta hear where you going with this one.
Feel me on this one. Let's go there, alright?
Please enlighten me.
I can't do it. Alright. Whose side? Alright. You got guns and there's butter, right? You got the men with the guns. Stop looking at me. Stop looking at me like that, for real. Alright, for real. You got the men with the guns, right? And what's that? I don't know. What the nigga say? Listen though. But anyways, make a long story short, you got the good ones, and then you got the ones that's good, but I could drop you too, you know? Okay, let me go.
No, I get it. But the thing that I am appalled about is why were you comparing them using guns and butter?
Baby boy, guns and butter.
Girl, you know the niggas was stupid. They know no better.
Come on now, Trish, you won't following me? You won't following me, dog?
I wasn't.
Come on.
Not with that one.
You gotta watch.
Girl,
your
you know I ain't
booty.
seen Baby Boy in a while. You know my line is $40.
You gotta get it together.
Girl, you like these?
Cute. I'm gonna squeeze my tiny ass up.
Business. Yes, girl. Yes. That's my line.
Do you pay any bills up in this motherfucker? Do you fix anything around here? When's the last time you paid a bill? All you do is eat, sleep, and shit. Walking around here like you King Tut or somebody. You know mess about whose house this is. This is my house. Mine. And if I want to bring a man all up and through here, I bring a man all up and through here. That's my say, not yours. It's right for me anyway.
This is a collect call from the California Correctional
She was
Facility.
like,
Correctional facility.
Do you accept the charges?
she went over there. Right, she was like,
Who was just calling you from jail? That nigga Rodney?
huh? Like, people really be thinking that's my life just because I posted it.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Girl, everybody always think if I'm posting about something, it applies to me. No, ma'am. Maybe I just found it funny.
It was just funny.
on my mind.
They so stupid.
Come on now, y'all. Y'all really think I would share my life
Okay.
on the internet with y'all know?
Don't know nothing.
Please, y'all would never know.
Girl, half of the people think I got a man. Half of the people think I'm single. Half of the people think I got a group full of hoes. Nobody knows. That's 100 grams for. Really
when
good.
I said what it is, I meant I want you to know what was in it.
Oh. Okay. Is that like
It's literally
ingredients
right
and
there on
shit?
the front.
Oh, that's what it is. Oh, because actually, like when I say chewy, I think of a texture. I was thinking you more so of a flavor.
No, I said what's in it.
But to know what's in it, you want to. Okay, whatever. Fuck it. Chewy caramel, $. Milk chocolate, $. Crispy crunchies.
Something is wrong with you, yo. Like, for real. Ooh. I don't even know what we laughing at, to be honest.
I'm so stupid. Why I say
$sign?
$?
I don't know. I just paid no attention. I was wondering the same thing. Why did you say $sign?
So stupid. I said it with confidence. I got money. That's how them dudes be when they like take pictures. She said she here. That's how them dudes be when they like take pictures with like 20s, but sometimes they be counterfeit and we be knowing. And then like, oh, that's you. Oh, and it'd be like having like $500. Like, woo. You flexing a whole $500 on your payday.
But like for y'all, that ain't even attractive.
It ain't attractive
Like
at all. That's how you get robbed, nigga.
When you being humble about yours, but you know you still got it, that's different. But girl, just showing it off, you're showing it because you never had it.
You corny. That's corny. That's really corny, man. Because the niggas out here with the money, you would never see them on social media really flexing with the money.
Never. Ain't walking around in Gucci this, Louis that.
None of that. I mean, some of them.
Some of them. Not all
But
of
they
them.
ain't flexing. I mean, I know hella niggas. Stay out the way. Niggas like got bread. But y'all be one of the ones out here flexing. What? They paycheck? Woo.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, congratulations. You got paid today.
Yeah!
But it's just like, that shit ain't cute. That shit corny. Am I smacking?
Yep.
No.
So you're not smacking.
Nah.
So you ask, am I smacking? For me to tell you that you're smacking, just to say, no, you're not smacking.
In so many words, yes. Dun 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 dun. That's all, hoes. Oh, ain't that how it be? Oh shit.